It can be used for road repair, mining, reservoir construction, and other aspects, greatly shortening the construction time and improving the quality of construction. And there are many attachments that can be replaced, and one machine can complete the functions of excavation, crushing, ditch cleaning, drilling, bulldozing, etc. You can also customize it according to your needs. The oil cylinder used in the whole machine is forged once, not easy to break. With built-in NOK sealing ring, Cummins engine, Doosan control valve, the whole machine runs smoothly and the performance is more reliable. Welcome friends from all over the world to join us and explore the market together.